If you look at the space where there's a number of data aggregators or ETL providers out there, many of them are focused on just aggregating the data. And that's, in its own right, a noble feat. But if you're not making sense of it, if it's not consistent, if it's not timely, it's not valid, it's not accurate, it's not complete, and the context of that data has not been verified from a third party, then it's hard to rely on.
Welcome to Data-Driven Leaders.
So what are some of the common mistakes that you've seen that businesses are doing?
It starts with the old adage that garbage in is garbage out. I do think that a lot of institutions are not placing enough emphasis on the quality of data. When we talk about what data quality is, everyone tends to have a different perspective on what that means. And rightfully so, because it depends on how you plan on using that data.
Would you think that it's a modern problem today that we're dealing with as it relates to data that requires a modern approach, modern tools, and that we're still applying, I guess you could say, old school thinking and old school approaches to how we're wrangling data?
I mean, you can almost think of it like a 1.0, a 2.0, and a 3.0 of where we want to get to. And I think we're kind of in that 2.0 stage right now, where we're basically creating data and we're moving it on different rails, if you will. I think in the next evolution of this, which is more the 3.0 side, what we'll start doing is using third-party augmented data sets to truly almost put a reliability or fidelity score against the quality and integrity of that information, so that you know essentially how reliable is it to make decisions on top of. And I think that's where we need to move the industry towards.